The creator, the artist, the innovator, the designer. Found on the shop floor, in the studio, in the lab, in the office. The one who questions, the one who conceives, who is never satisfied, who always wants to make it better. Imagining, building, breaking down and rebuilding again, giving shape to their thoughts, creating breakthroughs, creating progress, creating disruptions. Introducing the AION NX, new frontier in large format on-demand manufacturing, the hybrid machine that seamlessly brings to life your largest designs, in the material of choice, be it plastics, metals, ceramics, gel or concrete. With hybrid process add-ons to deliver a fully finished creation, all in one platform. With one of the largest bed sizes in its class, the AION NX can deliver 5 times faster additive manufacturing throughput, up to 1 meter length in one go. With multiple tool head options, customized to your specific application needs, including pallet extruder, filament extruder, paste and gel extruders, laser heads or multiple axis machining with finishing add-ons like hybrid CNC milling head, and other automation options to deliver your on-demand manufactured components processed in one go, enabling creators everywhere, in research, new product development, aerospace, automotive and drone tech, to change the game, to create, innovate and disrupt, bringing you infinite power of creation on demand.